Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies across the region this morning. Seeing temperatures much cooler than they were yesterday. Seeing temperature at 41 degrees this morning currently. We're seeing about a 20-degree drop in our temperatures from yesterday morning. Going to see some cooler conditions today, continuing with some spotty rain showers across the region once we move in the afternoon hours. Also see some slightly breezy onshore flow out of the northeast today. Most likely just under our wind advisory criteria of 25 knots, but still seeing some fairly damp and chilly conditions across the region. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area high pressure building in from the Great Lakes and New England that's giving us these colder conditions across the region. We have a weak disturbance just south of our region that's going to be moving through our region today. That's going to give us these chance of rain showers during the afternoon hours. Taking a look at our current observation, a broken deck at 4,500 feet, overcast deck at 20,000, winds out of the northeast at 11 knots, temperature 41 degrees, and relative humidity at 57%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of cloud cover across the region. That's going to be the case today. So cloudy conditions when we aren't seeing some light rainfall across the area. Looking at our radar this morning, you can see we do have some rain showers across southern Virginia, southwestern Virginia. It's going to be moving towards our region today. Not going to see a lot of total precipitation across the region with this system today, but we'll see some periods of some light rain, especially after about 1 to 2 o'clock this afternoon. So taking a look at our HRRR model for today, you can see those rain showers moving in afternoon today, and then that will continue till about 4 o'clock this afternoon. In the evening hours, we'll see a break, and then once we move into the late evening hours, we're going to see a warm front move through the region, and that's going to give us a much better chance of some rainfall. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high around 42 degrees today, so temperatures aren't going to rise much from this morning. Then overnight, we'll see a low around 38 to 39 degrees during the early evening hours. Temperatures will rise overnight and up to 47 degrees by 8 local on Friday morning. We'll see northeasterly winds today, 9 to 14 knots, gusting as high as 22 to 23 knots. So a yellow for our winds over 25 knots. Can't rule that out, having a random gust near or at 25 knots. As far as our precipitation chances go, we'll see about a 50% chances of rainfall from about noon to 1600 local or 4 o'clock, and then we should see only a slight chance between 1600 and 8 p.m. or 20 local, and then once we move after 20 local, should see likely scenario of seeing rainfall in the area with that warm front moving through, and we'll see low clouds moving in as well, so we'll see some drizzle overnight. As far as our winds overnight, they'll become light out of the northeast and then finally out of the south-southwest once that warm front does begin to move north of the region by Friday at 8 local. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast goes, we're going to see cloud cover around 4,500 to 4,000 feet today, and continuing to see that throughout the daytime hours today. Chances of rainfall, especially once we move after noon today, and then really seeing those rainfall chances pick up after midnight tonight. Looking like a likely scenario, as I mentioned, between that 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. time frame of this evening into early tomorrow morning. And by tomorrow morning at Friday 8 local, we're going to see some low-level ceilings around 300 to 200 feet possible. Seeing some patchy mist across the region and drizzle. Our tides are currently running normal, and looking at Friday into Saturday. Friday mostly cloudy with low clouds, drizzle during the morning, a chance of rain showers as well when that cold front moves through the region by late morning and early afternoon hours, decreasing cloudiness and slightly breezy by mid-afternoon. We'll see a mild high of 57 degrees. Rainfall chances looking like to be around 40% with this cold front moving through during the late morning into the early afternoon hours of Friday. We'll see winds gusting briefly near 25 knots once that cold front does move through, and we'll see ceilings below 500 feet during the morning. Friday night, partly cloudy and cold, breezy early, low of 29. Should see those winds around 25 knots during the evening hours of Friday night. And then for Saturday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions, chilly temperatures, and a high of 43 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, we'll look at the next 7 days.